A lot of people think that the Ford Bronco Sport, which you see here, is the Ford Bronco, but it is clearly not. Now Ford has released the Ford Bronco, which they are cousins, but they are not related to under the chassis. The Ford Bronco is based on the Ford Ranger. The Ford Bronco Sport is based on the Ford Escape. They are completely separate and completely different capabilities. Both do have locking differentials, and they are both really good off-road, but the Ford Bronco is clearly a better off-roader with tires up to 37 inches, front and rear lockers. It's really a capable off-road machine, and the engines go all the way up to a 2.7 liter twin turbo V6, so it's much better power also. This Bronco is pretty thirsty on the gas. When they come out with an electric version, that would be really neat. This one has the optional gun safe, which is pretty crazy. It's a sliding drawer that locks. They said you can put up to an AR-15 in the back of this, which is pretty nuts. There's tons and tons of options for the Bronco. Ford is really smart in going after that aftermarket customer, so they can get all the stuff from the factory built in, and probably financed also. You can see everything underneath is lifted and tucked out of the way, which is really good for off-roading. This bumper cover can be easily removed so you can install a hitch. On the front, you'll see these tie downs at the front corners. They serve a couple purposes. One is you can use them to tie down canoes, kayaks, things like that, which are great for us because we love the water. The other thing is you can attach these like cables that go from the tie downs up to the windshield to keep branches from slapping the windshield. Also, there is a front camera. Car has multiple cameras, so you can actually have all that recorded as you drive around. The price on this one was an outrageous $100,000 with a $40,000 markup, which is pretty crazy. The suspension is all aluminum, which is really nice. This was a quick overview of the Ford Bronco. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you don't mind. Thank you and have a great day.